Hello, today we will guide you through how to export your company file to QuickBooks Online. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to confidently trigger an export so you can work with your data outside of QuickBooks. Make sure you're signed into the correct company and that you have permission to export data, as some options are limited to admins. Start by going to QuickBooks in your web browser. Once you're in your company, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You'll see the Settings menu, typically shown as a small gear icon. This is your control center for account and data tools. Move your cursor to that area so it's easy to spot, then click to open the Settings menu. In the menu that appears, find and select Export Data. This is where QuickBooks lets you gather information from your company and prepare it for download. The page will show switches, or toggles, that determine exactly what gets included in your export. Think of each toggle as a simple on-off choice that controls whether a particular set of information is part of the file you'll download. Click the toggle to turn options on or off based on what you want to include. If something's on, it's included in the export. If it's off, it won't be. Take a moment to review what's selected so the file you generate contains only what you need. When you see the option for a sample file, turn that on as well. Enabling the sample file helps you understand the export structure and ensures you're set up for a clean download, especially if you're just getting familiar with how QuickBooks formats exported data. When your choices look right and the sample file is on, you're ready to export. Click Export to Excel. QuickBooks will compile your selections and begin generating an XLSX file. Depending on the size of your data and your browser settings, the file may download automatically to your default Downloads folder, or you may be asked where to save it. If nothing seems to happen, check for a pop-up blocker notification and allow downloads from QuickBooks so the file can come through. Give it a moment to finish. Larger data sets can take a bit longer. That's all there is to it. You went to QuickBooks, opened Settings, chose Export Data, used the toggles to refine what's included, turned on the sample file, and clicked Export to Excel. You can now open the file in your spreadsheet tool and continue your work with full control over your data.